Hey guys, Jason Reichert, Crazy Blessed Fishing. Up at 4:30 this morning, getting ready to go down and get fuel and get ready to go fish the Veterans Tournament this morning. Gonna fish out with Greg Richards. It's out of Cricket Creek Marina down in Arkansas, just about, 20 minutes from my house. So it's a pretty short run this morning, but we're gonna start at the far, far south end of Table Rock. Never fished there, but we're gonna probably run back up to around Cow Creek in that area. So it'll be a little bit of a run, probably about a 45-minute run. Anyways, plans for today, throwing Vision 110s, 110 plus ones and 110s, Tennessee shad color mainly. May throw some sexy shad Cincos and then some spinnerbait. So we'll see how we do. We'll take you guys along. Ought to be a good time. It'll be a really good time actually, that Veterans Tournament. This is the first time I fished it, but if it's anything like Cops for Kids, it's going to be a blast. So you guys will want to come along. So we'll see you in a few. I'm ready. Good fish or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, sound a little better, doesn't it? No, same old shit. Right? But, damn, I just fucking love that thing. Love that bait. Just fucking eat it up.
You're getting better at it.
I'm getting better at it. Thank you. Don't be bad, Dad. Good job. I see. Here's a big bat right here.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty strong.
You did catch fish. I thought you forced it.
Yeah, I know you did.
Okay, sweet tea. Okay. Yes. Would you like lemonade or a soft iced tea, sir?
I just go 11:59.
What is
You
that?
guys have something cold to drink?
360.
Some sweet tea and iced tea lemonade?
Hey YouTube. Crazy Bliss Fishing Channel. Greg Richardson
Hi, everybody.
and Jason Reichard. They messed up our names a little bit at the tournament today.
It's all good.
So what do we weigh in? 11:59
11:59 today.
with a 360 large fish or big fish,
Big fish.
whatever it is.
Bucket mouth.
Yes.
Big
So
he caught.
what we come in fifth?
So we came in fifth.
Came in fifth. So not the best in the world, no check, but fact is we did pretty well. First time we weighed in 5 fish.
First time. So we're working up, walking our way up,
Baby steps.
baby stepping.
What is this? Our 4th tournament?
4 now. That's 4th. Yep. That's
Yeah, that's 4
yeah,
tournaments.
That's 4 tournaments.
First one that we were actually able to wear shorts on
Yes.
and flip flops. I actually got to go swimming for a fishing rod today, but did get it back, so that was a good thing.
That's right. That's right. That's important, man.
Full dunk.
Sign of a true fisherman.
What was the water temp? 64.
64.
So it wasn't like I froze.
No.
It wasn't bad.
Air temperature is 90.
Yeah. Jerk bait today. I'll show you guys later tonight. But what was it? Tennessee shad jerk bait.
Tennessee shad jerk bait.
110 Vision +1. That was the jerk bait of the day.
That's been the go-to bait lately, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
So a couple on a Cinco. You got a couple on a top water.
Yes. Yep. Couple on top water.
Redfin.
No. Yeah, it was a redfin, just not a broken back.
Okay.
Just straight silver. Yep.
So all in all, a good day. I don't know. I think probably close 15 fish.
At least.
At least 15.
least, yeah.
And 5 whites that were like over the top.
We'd be getting paid if they were weighing in whites today, right, brother?
Yes, we would be. the white bass were off the hook, but anyways, they don't pay for those, so
No.
it was just a good time.
It was great.
Anyways,
Always a good time.
what tournament was this? Was
The
Recon
6.
Veterans Tournament?
Yes.
2nd annual. Good time. Lots of good people.
Yes.
Actually knew 2 of the other fishermen here.
Yep.
Knew them for a while. They did fairly well. One bumped us down to 3rd. Thanks for that, Chris.
Yeah, appreciate that, Chris. Thanks,
yeah,
man.
Good job. Good job, bro. Anyways, so that's kind of it, guys. But it was a good day. It was down at Cricket Creek Marina
Yes.
in Arkansas. Arkansas, I guess you
Just
could
a
say.
over-the-top establishment. Good people. Yeah. Good
Lots
time.
of fun.
Lots of fun. Good times.
All right, YouTube. Well, thanks for tuning in. Like us on the channel if you like what we have to say. Or if you don't like what we have to say, like us anyways.
Yeah, that's kinda the
just
way we
give
look
us a
at
thumbs up,
everything
give us
in
a
life,
like. Yeah,
so.
exactly. It's just a good time. We actually should call it good time fishing.
Good time fishing.
All right, we'll catch you guys later.
Later.